Ladies and gentlemen, the lock is undone. Now, Ira, how did you do? What'd you do?
I had to drill a hole underneath the pins to allow the pins, the tumblers, to drop out. And once I got all the tumblers out, I was able to turn this with a screwdriver and had to use a screwdriver as well. Once this is turned a little bit, it freed up the bolt. I had to use a screwdriver to push the bolt back farther.
Unbelievable. Oh, these are good locks, though, right?
Oh yeah, these are
excellent.
Storage.
Ladies and gentlemen, there's the face of the man that you want to call to get your lock undone. He did the job for me. He'll do it for you.